Hello cute kids. Today we are going to learn colors and shapes. Let's start with colors. Light pink color, light blue color, purple color, orange color, dark green color, brown color, dark pink color, dark blue color, light green color, red color, black color, yellow color. This is heart shape. This is pentagon. This is triangle. This is circle. This is arrow. This is hexagon. This is yellow color. This is dark green color. This is pink color. This is brown color. This is sky blue color. This is red color. Let's learn it again. Heart shape, yellow color. Pentagon, dark green color. Triangle, pink color. Circle, brown color. Arrow, sky blue color. Hexagon, red color. Thank you kids for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.